In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean organization chart in ClickUp using whiteboards. By the end, you'll have a clear, shareable org chart that lives right inside the project where your team works every day. First, open your ClickUp workspace by logging into your account and make sure you're in the correct workspace. The workspace is your main hub for projects, tasks, and docs, so it matters. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double check the workspace name at the top to avoid building your chart in the wrong place. Next, choose the project that needs the org chart from the sidebar. This could be a team space like marketing, a specific initiative such as a product launch, or a company-wide structure area. Opening the chart inside the right project keeps everything in context and makes sharing with that team much smoother. Now, open the whiteboard view. Click the View button or the View selector at the top or in the sidebar, then choose Whiteboard. If you don't see Whiteboard, your plan may not include it or your permissions might be limited, so check with an admin. Once it's open, consider renaming the view so it's easy to find later. Start placing people or roles on the board. On the whiteboard toolbar, pick a shape. Rectangles or rounded boxes work well. Then drag it onto the canvas and type the role or the person's name. Add your top level role at the top, place managers beneath, and list individual contributors at the bottom.